Yeah.
It's definitely pulled off a little bit now.
I played against Miranda's Overlord.
Okay. Direct 2.
She's good.
It's somewhere.
It's cold down here.
It's all the computers out.
Draw. Oh wow. Block.
I haven't played this deck since Toronto, so I'm lost.
Play digital characters, search easy revenge. Right on the bottom. Gets restricted before Chicago on a short crown.
Nah, no way. Okay.
Play this here, no set.
Reverse.
Play the
Yep.
front 1. Under 1.
We match.
Rematch 1. 1.
2.
No, because if I don't have the wait.
No, you just missed the fact, but you still can give soul.
Oh,
Right.
right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
So then bottom deck.
on deck, yep. Since this was reversed, it still gets its effect. Stocksoul. I will stop there at the end.
Yep. Yeah. Direct 1, 2, 3. 3.
Cancel.
Direct 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I just want to make sure, who didn't pay for entry yet?
Imagine you ate
Who
that.
paid for entry, who didn't pay for entry?
Yeah, sure.
Brooke, hey, again, did you guys pay for entry?
I did, yeah.
You did? Brooke, did
Yes.
you? You did?
It's 1
Okay, so
cap.
I don't, yeah, it's not like $10 entry.
I got this.
Just make sure that $10 on the console. Just started, you took the plans.
Yeah.
Present upstairs, and then
Frontal?
pay it for me. Hey, get Brooke. I mean, I'll just bring you guys over sometime.
Frontal.
Brooke, you want Quinn stuff, right?
Yeah.
Quinn's
So-
okay. Megan,
Yeah.
Quinn's Avatar, Reedy, what do you want?
Avatar.
I'm sorry, okay.
Yeah.
Everybody else is going upstairs.
Add 4 1.
1.
Yeah.
Cancel.
No, this is too fun. Or too
That's
fun.
true.
With all the characters, this card gets 1k power. Yeah, too fun. Frontal. 1. Interesting. And then 4 1.
That's good.
3k? 3k. On reverse. Clean cut. Directs 2. 2.
Cancel. Oh.
Alright.
No, I'm fine.
7 cards in hand. No need to discard.
Okay. Draw. Clock. Play this here. Play this here. Look up to 3. Choose 1.
You have to discard. No, just make sure. Hit 1. Stocksoul. Bounce. And bounce, I guess, doesn't matter. And we'll chase up.
Okay.
4k.
Okay. Front under for 1. 1.
1, 2. Level. That's fine. 6 out.
Yep. Direct. 1, 2, 2.
Use it. Perfect.
Your turn.
So, draw. I'll play this. Pay 1. I can salvage a character. I'll salvage her. And I'll give him 1k. 3. Pay 1.
I'm guessing those doggy things are really important.
They are.
It's cold out here, so it's making my nose run.
Darts. 2. 2.
Cancel.
Darts. 2. Salvage. Salvage.
2's good. Level.
Frontal. 1. 1.
Cancel.
She's a god. She's a god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overhands. Discard 1.
turn?
Yep, go for it.
Draw. Fuck. Hey, Hagen, you want to see something really freaking crazy?
Kishu.
No. Grab. Memory. Level 0.
Woo, $15 card.
Oh, really? What do you pull?
Ichika. The double rare.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I got this. So
You want to build Ichika? I got it.
no, I already have
Why not?
Itsuki.
Not no. You want to
Pay
build
one.
Ichika?
Easier. Level 4.
Ichika is better.
I'll grab that. Send a memory. I have no more.
You might tone it back down.
They're all 4K. These two are 4K, actually.
I'm trying to play.
I'll play this ditch character or a
You
ditch
could probably
card.
play a game before
Feel
you
the
get
top.
back.
Grab a level 1 or lower.
Did you even start your game? Yeah, we all did.
Play this back front 1. Just
Missing a lot of
1.
cards.
Shuffling back, I believe 8. Crazy.
Oh, one
So,
sec.
yeah, okay. Front under 1.
Cancel.
Front under 1. 1. Your turn.
Already meant. Clock.
Yeah, I could just hang out.
One card.
We'll do effects. Clock self with this card to draw.
Control. What are you doing?
Oh.
I'm playing.
Do it again. Clock self. Level.
I'm not fucking
Green. 6 out.
Yep.
Draw. Insane. Level 2 we'll do effects. A1. Ditch 1. Sack. Turbo play.
Whoa.
Roll overplay. Okay, one. On play, draw 2.
Paying out all the climaxes.
Ditch 2.
Seriously? Phase. Yeah.
Second effects, one played on a full stage.
Yeah.
Clean stock 1.
No, he's level 0. Put it down. Can't get over it. I don't want him to get over it. He's not gonna get over it. He's level 0. I know how to play the game. I know how to play the game. Stop tutoring me.
Brainstorm. Rest 2. No 5.
Cling.
No, man. I'm
Oh.
not getting any of
Block.
What piece did you get?
Draw first.
Oh, good job.
You guys want me to try to grab them?
Combo.
Oh.
Hit 1. Climax play, heal 1. Choose up to 5.
Yeah.
Whatever I missed on computers. Direct.
Okay.
3.
Okay. Well, shiny.
Cancel.
Direct. That's fine. 4. 4. Refreshing 7.
Cancel.
Go for it. Direct 3. 3.
Who's good?
Alright, pass turn to you.
Alright, but don't play the game too much.
Draw.
You gotta be careful. This card is invincible, you can't kill it.
Okay.
You can't target it with effects either. This will be 11k and this will be 500.
Sounds good. Brainstorm. Crazy.
now.
Send this to stock.
Sound good? 11k, 500.
Yeah. Front. Over. 1, 2. 2. Front under. 1, 2. 2.
I'll begin. Draw. Block.
Mhm.
Okay, that makes sense.
Oh my god.
I'll play Climax Walk first. Pay 1. Discard. I find the sound.
No way.
Effects, pay 1. Join. Set. Combo. On Fox Light, heal 1, burn 1. And I get 2k power.
One's good. I love her. How do you feel, Hagen? I'm at level 2 now. You're like, it's about time.
Second effect, heal 1, burn
I've
1.
had some bangers, I don't know.
Third effect, we'll give this one its ability.
You can swap.
We'll direct for 4, for 4.
You can build every card.
We'll direct for 4, for 4.
I do a lot of things that I shouldn't be able to this.
That's good.
Just gotta keep swinging force, gotta keep swinging.
Guess so. Yeah.
And we'll frontal, 10k for 2, and a
Cancel.
Good thing it's not on reverse, right? Right?
no sweats off my back. We'll grab funnels off her back. Alright, yeah, go for it.
Draw. Block.
13-5.
I'll brainstorm. I'll grab that. Okay, 2. Play. Heal. Gains plus 1500.
Hey, at least you're not playing.
Play this,
Yeah,
no
we're
effect.
just playing 12.
Play this. Swap these 2.
Okay. How big is he?
10-5. Frontier, over for 1, 2. 2.
I'll put 2-5 counter, so it'll be 12-5. Two's in.
Okay, front under 1. 1.
Cancel.
Front, doesn't really do anything for 1, 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Send. Draw. That's fine. Overlord. No block. Climax off. K1. Finish 1. Salvage. We'll do second effect. Measure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. Overlord. We'll do effects. K1. That's 2. 5. And 2. Get 1.
That's
Search.
same card effect.
Refreshing 7. Go for it.
Chances of killing me are kind of low.
Over.
Okay.
2.
Refresh damage. Oh.
Correct.
Combo. Play. Heal. Burn 1.
That's good. Refreshing 8.
Is going, but I shoot to kill you here.
Macros here.
Second effect. Heal 1. Send markers to memory. 5 markers, so I can choose up to 5 characters on your stage to put into waiting room. So you only have 2, so put them into waiting room.
I'm ready. You know.
And we'll go into the combat.
Okay.
Direct. Sorry. Direct 4. 4.
Cancel.
Direct 4. 4.
Cancel.
Direct 3. 3.
3's good.
Works for me. Pass turn to you. I'll choose this one to be able to.
Level. Draw. Block. Play this. Play this. Pay 1. Send to memory.
That's so BS. That's so BS. This deck is so BS. I hate this deck. I hate this deck. She top decked the fucking Himeno. She had no cards in the end. Top decked the fucking Himeno, and now she can pull out triple lock from her ass. Well, it's not gonna be double. She does that stuff. But. but it's so bullshit. She went to this turn.
You drew into that?
She went to this turn with one hand. Freaking top deck like you didn't know. She, by the way, she has 3 Akis out. One was in stock, and 2 were in waiting room for stock prior. So there's one in deck. Dude, this deck is so BS.
You live. You're 3-2, or you're 2-3.
I don't live. It's Aki.
You live.
Actually, no. Aki doesn't kill. I
He
live.
doesn't kill.
Stop it.
Oh, she's not really fine. I'm chilling. What am I?
She's not stock.
Shut up.
What am I scared about?
She's out of stock.
This is invincible.
What?
I comboed.
What's that?
Ditch this to brainstorm with.
Oh, it's called.
Up to 3, or no, brainstorm with it.
Shit, that's insane.
Look it up to 3, choose one.
I'm chilling.
Okay. I'm up front here for 1, 2, 2. Okay, that's good.
I don't live.
Front, under, 1, 2, 2. That's good.
Cancel.
Okay.
On reverse, we'll give this one 5 power.
Front, under, 1. Bar.
One's good. Do you want a bottom deck?
Yeah, I do want a bottom deck actually.
Alright, I'll begin. 10. Draw.
Wind card.
Shut up.
Block. Level 1 red. 6 out. This is how hard I'm gonna.
It's okay. I only have 3 climaxes.
I was about to say, let me show you how hard I am about to go for this climax, but I drew it, so whatever. Because normally I would do this, right? Effects, right, clock, draw, effects, right, clock, draw.
Oh, okay.
Pay 1. On play, draw 2, ditch 2. Second on play, clean stock.
There's a chance I lose.
I live.
Third, clock, draw. So easy.
There's a chance I lose.
Every day. 100%. Combo, first one, heal, burn 1.
Careful.
Second, heal, burn 1.
Good.
Four fronts. We'll never. We'll never.
I've never used that.
3. Salvage. Salvage.
I don't know how to.
What the fudge?